This is my story. I come from a very religious home and I have strict parents, so socializing wasn't ever in the picture for me. I barely had any youthful fun because I had a few friends. And anytime my friends discussed sex, I was unable to get involved because I barely had any knowledge or experience, and I was still a virgin. When I turned 23, I started dating. I made it clear my intentions to only have sex when we get married. And even though he was not happy with it, he eventually understood. Months after I turned 25, I was invited to a friend's birthday party and I told my parents, and they refused to allow me go, even at my age. I was dying to be at this party, so I sneaked out and I went. And at the party, I was hardly enjoying this new experience until a guy came to me and made few talks, and he got me comfortable. He got us drinks, and I took a few. After a minute or two, I started feeling off and drowsy. He helped me to a bedroom to rest. Then he started taking off my clothes. I tried fighting him, but I was too weak. Two guys joined and they raped me. I was traumatized and shattered. I cried for a whole week, but I couldn't tell my parents because I was scared of what they would do to me. A month later, I started vomiting and feeling sick, so I took a test. I was pregnant. I was scared and I had no idea what I was going to do. I went to see my boyfriend a few days later and we spent time together. I opened his wardrobe to get myself a bed sheet. Laid in a velvet box was an engagement ring. My head started spinning. I was losing it and I couldn't even keep it cool. So I left. I love my boyfriend so much, but I'm scared that if I tell him I was raped and got pregnant after, he will bail on me. The trauma that came with the rape is so unbearable, and now I have a constant reminder in the form of a baby. And if I keep this baby, I have to face my straight experience. I am so confused and frustrated. Should I report the rapist? Do I abort the baby? Do I tell my boyfriend? Or should I keep the baby and tell my parents?